We are making it this summer wildflowers arrangement. You can make this too. Today starts the first lesson for the French beaded Echinacea. Hi everyone, my name is Pen Lee, French beaded flower designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. The goal of this channel is to help you shorten your learning curve while starting out to make bead and wire flowers. Subscribe to my channel and check out the playlists if you are starting from square one. I have lots of beginner kits to get you started. I also put together a kit for this arrangement. If you would like to use the exact beads I'm using, if you would like to use your own materials, check out the description for the full list of materials. For lesson 1 today, we will be working on the petals for the Echinacea using the continuous crossover loop technique. So here I have about 20 grams of beads strung onto a spool of wire. Let's unwind that. So let's leave a 3-inch tail. We'll just eyeball it. And the pattern calls for 13 4-inch continuous crossover loops. So let's move a bunch of beads down. And we're going to measure out 4 inches to make the loop. Pinch the loop. And make the crossover loop. And of course, it is completely okay if you have this little bit of bare wire on the back top. And I'm going to keep going until I have all 13. Now I have all 13 of the petals made. Let's cut another tail off of the spool. So turn to the back, twist the 2 ending tail wires together just lightly, and then reposition one of the tail wires so that it is opposite the first one. So let's take this one here and wrap it around the base of this petal. The next lesson comes out on Thursday, and we'll be working on the center. The center is made using the technique I developed called the continuous split basic. And if you already made the Brown Eyed Susan, then this will be easy peasy. Join the community of other French beaders in the Facebook group that I run with fellow designer Lauren Harpster. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple of days for lesson 2. Bye!